Creating a missing assignment report. Starting in PowerTeacher Pro, come over to Reports. You're going to see there's multiple reports available now. There's two ways to do this. Your missing assignment report. Report title here, select your class. The first one is already pre-selected for you. You can look at either not scored, marked missing, or both these types of assignments. Your date range is going to be the different quarter or a manual date range that you prefer. Coming up here to students, you can click add or remove students to include or exclude any students out of this report, or if you wanted to run it for just one. Format, it's going to allow you to use two different output formats for this, either PDF or Excel. You can include notes and a signature line if you were using this as a progress report for a student. And coming back over to criteria, making sure everything is correct. Click Run Report. And you're going to get a notification that the report has been queued at the top. To view this report, click View Reports. The top report is going to be the one that you just ran, so the most recent is on top. Click on the report title, and it's going to download that report to the bottom of your screen here as a PDF. And if you click on it, you can see this is a report that's going to show the teacher more or less how all of her students are doing based on the assignment that is in that quarter or that date range selected. So you can see how many students are missing each assignment. So that's sort of an overall picture report. The other type is called an individual student report. Choosing this style report is going to show you each student one by one. So the previous report shows everything together listed by assignment. This is going to show the individuals. You again can select your class. There's different sort options, but the areas of data is what's most important for this. If you select here, you want to make sure that the course grade and attendance are on. You've got standards, final grades, and assignments. And then coming down here to data filters, if we check missing, it's only going to give us those missing assignments. If we leave it, it'll show us all the assignments, any assignments, late, incomplete, if they were absent, exempt, if it's blank. So if you just want to run a missing report, you want to make sure in your data filters that you check missing. And it's going to change that filter to filter out everything else but the missing assignments. Again, you have date range options. And over in students, you can run this for just one student if you like, by unchecking all, clicking on the student or students that you want to run it for, and clicking Run Report. Or if you want to click on all of them, it is going to run it for all your students. In format, the page break is going to be between students, so each page will be a different student. This only allows you to run it in PDF. Once you have everything the way you like, click on Run Report. Again, it's going to show you that it's been queued. Come over to View Reports and click on Individual Student Report. Again, it populates at the bottom. If you click on it, it's going to give you, if you notice here at the top, there's 35 pages because we have multiple students and each page is a different student. So you can see this is a great little report. It shows you grading, it shows you the missing, the tallies of everything, and then there's assignment scores, and then it's also going to show any missing work. So right now this student doesn't have any. So let's find one that has some missing work. And here we go. So it shows missing right here. Assignment scores shows missing. And here are the 3 different assignments. Let me scroll up to make sure. Oh, I apologize. There was one score that was missing in that first report. This participation right here, this assignment is showing missing. So you'll get a little snapshot of each student for this type of report. I hope this helps, and feel free to look at the other reports and play around with them. They are very, very handy for all your students and for reporting out to parents as well. Thanks.